Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you guys a simple DIY face mask that you might want to try at home. So the first ingredient that I have here is rice flour. Rice flour is very essential in treatment of acne and hyperpigmentation. It protects your skin from sunburn, heals your wound, and also brightens your skin. It absorbs oil, so if you have oily skin, you might want to try out this DIY because it will help your skin very well. This video was shot in vertical mode, so you might want to make it full screen so that you see what I'm doing. So the next ingredient that I have here is egg. I'll be using just the egg white, not the yolk. So the egg white helps to clear your oil, shrink your pores, and also fade age lines. Okay, so it is good for this recipe. I used 2 tablespoons of rice flour and just 1 egg white. So after adding the 2 together, you have to mix it very well. Another thing that I have here is honey. I'll be using honey for this recipe. Sorry guys, don't mind the huge mess there. So now I have to clean it up before I continue with what I'm doing. So guys, for the honey, it helps to moisturize, clarifies, and heals acne. So I'll be using it for this recipe as well, and I'll be using just a little scoop of it, just a little scoop. Then after that, you might want to mix it very well so that the whole thing will mix together. Just keep stirring, mixing until everything mix together. So guys, you might want to mix it until you get this consistency. Can you see that? Now it's ready to be used. Okay, so guys, after the whole process, this is my bare face. So I want to apply the mask now. As you can see, I just have a bump here which is quite painful, you know. So now I have to apply the mask on my face. As you can see the consistency. Oh my gosh, it smells like a batter. Oh my god, I feel like making pancake. Yeah, so guys, you might want to apply it all over your face. Just cover your face with it. So guys, don't mind me, I also applied it to my brows. I want them bigger and thicker, so I also applied it there because all the injury that I have is also good for hair growth, you know. So guys, I'm done applying it. I also applied to my chest and neck, you know. So now I have to give it some time to dry before washing it out. So guys, I'm done with the process. This is my face after I have washed it out. As you can see, my face is kind of smooth. It feels so smooth, not even kind of, my face feels so smooth even from the bath. The rice flour has some tiny particles that will help you to exfoliate your face while in the shower, so it's really nice. It's really nice. My face is so smooth right now. I didn't regret trying out this DIY, so you might want to try it as well. It's really nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So until next time, don't forget to be productive, stay sassy, and be peaceful. Love you all.